In this video, I will show you how to know if your WhatsApp is being spied on, in a really simple and quick way, so don't hesitate to like the video and subscribe. Here we go. So it may happen that someone is spying on your WhatsApp account, or you may wonder if that is the case. And we're going to be able to see that right away. So just click on your WhatsApp app, like this. So I'm going to show you on my iPhone, but it's the same if you're on Android or another phone. Then you will have to go to your WhatsApp settings like this, and you will normally see a section called Connected Devices right here. Just click on it, and there you will be able to see all the devices that are connected to your WhatsApp account. So there is your phone that you may be using currently, but it could also be, for example, your computer if you have ever connected WhatsApp to your computer. So for me, it is indeed the case. I have successfully connected my WhatsApp to my Mac computer like this on Google Chrome. So you can also see the last activity of that device. Check carefully if it matches, if it is familiar to you. If you see that it's a weird device or one that's been around for a long time, you can always click on it and mark connections to be able to disconnect your account from this device. This is really the most important step to see if someone is spying on your WhatsApp account or not. And then the second thing to do is if you ever go into the discussions, right here in the settings still, under backup, you can then activate the end-to-end encrypted backup, that is to say secure, so at the bottom here, so that if ever someone gets their hands on your phone that you have lost, they cannot access your backup, etc. And neither WhatsApp nor Apple directly or Google has access to your WhatsApp backup either. So you can click on activate right here. You will need to create a password and then click on confirm to activate this protection on your WhatsApp Soul Guard. And with this, you can make sure that your WhatsApp will be in order. Don't hesitate if you have any questions. It was Gummy. Ciao.